Well, so far this looks like this is going to be my setup for the DJI Mini 2 iPad Mini Gen 5 with a tablet holder. This one right here. And I just got my Yagi Range extenders. So that comes off right off the bottom. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Maybe not. Hold on. Yeah, so they just slide off. So they just come off like that. So if I don't need extra penetration for going through trees or bushes or whatever, we can just do without that. This just clips on underneath. This is the same one that they use for the Mavic Air 2. Let's take this off. So this just comes off like that. This comes off here. You can adjust it. You can adjust the angle. And that just comes off easily. So that just comes off easily like this. You can adjust it. This also collapses. So this thing, unscrew it, pops off. Take this off. This collapses. And usually I'd put this back on here. Stick it in here, just like that, and it's pretty compact to store, right? Also have this adapter that goes onto here for the Mini. Basically, if I don't use this, I can just use this clip, and that basically goes on here. Basically goes on like this. You clip it on, and then this clips on here. That clips on. And then let's see if I could do this one-handed. Nope. Basically slip it on like that. And then that's that setup. And then I can use the stock cable because it'll actually reach. It's short enough. It's long enough, the short cable, that will reach here. And I can go like that. But if I use this and clip it on the bottom, I can't use this one because the clamp blocks the range extender. But no big deal. I can just slap this on and we're good to go. So on a bright sunny day, if I want to use the range extenders, that's how it's going to be hooked up, with the 1-foot extension cable, the tablet mount, and the hood, the sun hood for when it's really bright outside. That's it, all set up, ready to roll.